Sun has returned and the snow has stopped falling, but people sure haven't.
Yeah, it can be pretty bad.
This Parker police officer, just one of the dozens of Coloradans to take a tumble this week. Hospitals like this want a revolving door for people who have slipped and fallen on the ice.
They need to understand that a simple fall can be very dangerous.
St. Anthony Hospital in Lakewood has treated 26 patients for ice-related falls over the past 2 days, and a total of 70 patients were treated at Centura's network of Denver area hospitals. Most of those patients are elderly.
Especially in the elderly patients, a simple fall can be a lethal event.
Dr. Winston Tripp says the most common fall-related injuries are broken wrists and hips. Hips, he says, are especially worrisome.
As you grow older, it will take longer for your bones to heal.
Several hospitals tell Fox 31 they typically see a large number of patients after early season storms. But this one was especially bad because there was so much snow. And doctors say it's often that layer of snow that makes the sidewalks that much more dangerous, hiding the danger right underneath.
Yeah, it's a lot of ice, especially areas like this where people have walked through and packed it down.
Hospitals are bracing for another rush of patients tomorrow night because of Halloween.
It's going to be scary for them. I think there's going to be very few out there.
So they're urging people not to delay. Clear those sidewalks now.
I've been shoveling like crazy.
Before it's too late. And the idea behind that being a lot of the sun we're going to see tomorrow will melt that lingering ice that might still remain. Dr. Tripp also recommends getting some traction devices if you have an elderly family member. And most of the injuries they say occur things like taking out the trash, getting the mail. You can buy devices like these. They're called Yak Tracks for just about $15-20. They actually go over your shoe and they really help with traction when we're seeing icy conditions like this on Denver city streets and sidewalks. Reporting live in Denver tonight, Kagan Harsha, Fox 31.
Yeah, smart buy right there, Kagan. Thank you.